Hello friends, welcome to Poonam Dua classes. The much awaited IGNOU date sheet has been released. Let us discuss some of the few important dates and points in this video. Please do not forget to share and subscribe the channel first of all so that you remain updated with all the latest information. Please read these points properly, carefully to know that you are eligible for the exams or not. The first point, registration for these courses is valid and not time barred. Required number of assignments in the courses have been submitted by due date wherever applicable. जो भी आपके assignments हैं जिनके लिए आपको exam देना है वो submit हो चुकी हों. You must have completed minimum time to pursue these courses as per the provision of your program. अगर आपके 2 साल कंप्लीट हो गए हैं फॉर एग्जांपल पीजी कोर्सेज के तभी आप फाइनल ईयर के पेपर्स दे सकते हैं एंड सो ऑन. Have paid the examination fees of course, and in case of any non-compliance of any of the above condition, the result of all such courses will not be declared. इन सब पॉइंट्स को बहुत ही अच्छे से पढ़िएगा. सारी गाइडलाइंस हैं और कोविड-19 की गाइडलाइंस बहुत अच्छे से फॉलो की जाएंगी सभी सेंटर्स में. Here is the proper date sheet of all the MEG subjects. That is the date sheet for ME English students. MEG 16 का एग्जाम सबसे पहले है on 8th March and MEG 07 का एग्जाम सबसे बाद में है, that is on 1st of April. If anybody wants to take the admission for MEG 05 and 06, they can still apply in our academy. लेकिन बाकी सभी courses के बाकी सभी codes के courses पूरी तरीके से complete हो चुके हैं, रिविजन भी हो चुकी है. अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सिर्फ ये 2 सब्जेक्ट्स हैं जिनके बैचेस अभी भी बनाए जा रहे हैं, MEG 05 and 06. This is the link to get the date sheet. आप date sheet को properly analyze करना चाहते हैं तो this is the link and I'll provide the same link in description as well. If you have any query, please do mention in the comment section. Please do not forget to share and subscribe the channel and provide your valuable feedback in comments. You may join the online classes to cover all the topics in detail, and you can click the link in description to have a query. Thanks for watching and best of luck for your exams.